4 simple signs that you're stronger than you realize. Sign number 1, you survive what once broke you. There was a time na akala mo hindi mo kakayanin. Akala mo tapos ka na. Akala mo hanggang doon ka na lang. But look at you now. You're still here. Nandito ka pa. You're still breathing. You're still trying. That alone tells you something important. That pain did not defeat you. Weak people don't survive pressure, but you did. Sign number 2 that you're stronger than you realize. You stay calm under pressure. Dati, konting problema lang, nagpapanik ka na agad. Konting rejection, sobrang emotional ka na agad, nayulugmok ka. Ngayon, iba na. You pause, you think, and you respond. Not react. And that's strength. Anyone can be loud when they're winning, but real strength shows when things go wrong, you still stay composed. Sign number 3 that you're stronger than you realize is that you keep showing up even if pagod ka na. Hindi ka na umaasa sa motivation. Hindi ka na naghihintay ng perfect mood. You move kahit pagod, you work kahit tahimik. You continue kahit walang recognition. And that is not weakness, that is discipline, my friend. And discipline is strength, and that doesn't need permission. Sign number 4, you don't need validation anymore. Dati, kailangan mo ng confirmation. Ngayon, sapat na yung sarili mong conviction at paniniwala. And you know what you're doing. And you know why you're doing it. That certainty, that is strength. Real talk. Listen, strength doesn't always feel powerful. Most of the time, it feels quiet. It feels lonely. And it feels heavy. But if you're still standing after everything na pinagdaanan mo, you are already stronger than you think. You didn't break. You adapted. Remember that pain tried to end you. And remember that strength is surviving what was meant to stop you.